I'm going to show you how to fix a 2007 Chevy Malibu chim issue for less than $1. So it's the easiest way, and this is cool. It's very easy. All the things just coming from that speaker, that's cool. I mean, I really wanted that. So these wires, they are actually giving communication and voltage to the cluster. And check for the speaker. If the two terminals on that speaker, check for a continuity. If it is not continuous, which means the speaker is broken, that's why you don't have any chim. If it's a working speaker, then you can actually read some resistance, something in between 30 plus ohms. So if you see these wires are actually stand for all your communication and your voltage for your cluster. So if you have your speedometer is working, and if your indicators and lights are working, if your cluster is working properly, which means you have all the communication between your engine ECU and your cluster, so you don't have to worry about that. It could be just a speaker issue. So I've seen some threads saying that for this issue you have to check your driver side left driver side stereo speaker. It could be true for some Chevy models, but for a 2006 Chevy Malibu, 7 Malibu, and 8 Malibu Classic, check for the speaker. This is what I found. For me, the speaker was broken, so I replaced with a toy speaker which I bought from
This is how I soldered the
eBay for
wires.
$5. I
So
took
I
out the
soldered the new
speaker
speaker with
and
the two
soldered it back.
terminals of
That's
the
working
actual
fine for
speaker
me.
just on the
So
car
it's all
cluster.
good.
The soldering is not too good, but it's working. So it's